Hello guys, welcome to wphornet YouTube channel, and here I am going to show you something that today we are going to learn that how to build WordPress plugin. Yes guys, there are lots of tutorials that how to create plugin, but it is something for the beginners. Yeah, we are actually focusing to the beginners who really want to start with WordPress. For those, we are creating this plugin development process. It's not like everyone follows this, but it is actually we are following. It is a trend. It's a shortened process where we can create a simple or a complex plugin within few minutes. So we can at least start with this process. So first of all, let me show you means our website where you can get all the WordPress training support if you want live support, live training. So we are here using any Zoom, MS Team, or any other medium. We can connect and we can show you, we can solve your problem. Uh, we can give you the best training in WordPress. So this is our site. You can follow for better options, better courses, better solutions. And this is our YouTube channel. So you can start learning here also. So we are going to put more videos there. So we are working day and night to support you guys. So if you still have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like our videos, just share it. So let's come to the point now. So in my local, I have a fresh WordPress installed. So here you can see there is nothing, no plugin, nothing is there, only this Hello Dolly. So you must aware of this plugin. So when we are installing WordPress, the default there is Akismet and plugin, Akismet plugin, and one another plugin which is Hello Dolly. So here we are going to start with Hello Dolly. So it's saying that there is a plugin name, there are two buttons and few meta informations are there, and one big data which is the plugin description is there. So if we activate this plugin, you can see here are some lines in backend. So this plugin is basically doing something which is I can show you. So every time we refresh the admin, it's showing something, some kind of text. So one of my friend just told me that it is the text from one renowned song. So I'm not aware of that thing, but here I'm going to show you how this plugin is working and how we can customize it and how we can do our own thing in it. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so here we are. It is installed in my local server. I'm using XAMPP just to let you know. And here is my basic WordPress setup. It's a new 5.4 edition. And you can see in plugins folder, there is only one index file which is doing but nothing, and another file which is hello. So this hello is responsible for showing this thing and also this functionality. So it was not there. It is not there. If I deactivate the hello plugin, hello dolly plugin, it would not work. You can see that there is no line of song. But once we activate the plugin, you can see there are one line of song. And if we refresh our admin page, you can see another line of song. So let's come to the point then. Let's dig deeper. What is inside this file? So here it is. First of all, it's showing some kind of package and version, so it is not required for us. So we are just trying to edit the plugin here. So you can see I already told in my last video that this part is only responsible for making any file except index.php. Means if we can create any file here in plugins folder, so except index.php, we can just make that file a plugin by just adding this piece of codes. It's not actually code, these are comment, multi-line comment you can see. So when we are adding plugin name, and remember this name should be same, means in right hand side we can change anything, but this name and this format, this colon should be just like here it is. Everything should be same, we can change it. So I am changing it to Hornet plugin, as just this channel YouTube channel name is WP Hornet. So I am just making the name is Hornet plugin. You can make anything you want. Plugin URI http wphornet.com. Description, I'm just removing all the description already. Here I'm just adding a simple test plugin. Now author. Author, obviously we're going to put our name WP Hornet, and the version. Version is obviously 1.0.0 because we didn't made any version yet. Author URI, so we can add this author URI. So it's not the best practice, it is not the right practice, but it is something where you can start from your end. So now I am going to the admin and just refreshing the plugin page. You can see it's got changed. The plugin name is Hornet plugin. The deactivate option is there. A simple test plugin, version by WP Hornet, and visit plugin site. There are many options here we can add, we can discuss later in later videos, but let's start with the code. So what it is exactly responsible for saying these lines of songs in the WordPress admin. So let's check. First we can see one PHP functions. So let me just tell you something, that if you are not familiar with PHP, then please go to our website and learn for PHP or any other tutorial website. First learn what is PHP, what we can do with it, and what are the functionalities. Then you can come back to this video and you can learn how to create plugin, how to customize plugin. Otherwise it would not be a simple thing to understand. If you have HTML CSS knowledge, that is going to be a extra benefits for you, but if you don't have any PHP knowledge, you can't create any plugin. And for your information, I'm telling you one thing, that actually I'm working in a process, or you can tell it in a innovation. Personally I am working that without knowing a PHP, we can create our own plugin, create our functionality by selecting some drags and drops features. So that I will create another separate video. I am working on that part, for means those who want to create plugin but they don't have any knowledge in PHP, and literally it's not possible for everyone to learn PHP and then create plugin. So if you have your means idea in your brain, let us know and we can create a robust plugin for you. So let's come to this point. So here it is like the function hello Dolly get lyric. So we can Assume that this is a PHP function and here it is taking one variable and assigning a string value into it. Then it's exploding with the line break. You can see this is the symbol of line break. Exploding, it's nothing but exploding into piece of these lines. So earlier I told that it is the lines of a renowned song, and this we are going to explode and we are going to return WP text your size lyrics empty rand 0 count lyrics minus 1. So it is nothing but say, it is actually returning the lines randomly. So if you are familiar with PHP, you can understand what is empty rand here and what it is actually doing. So now I'm going to the next function, which is hello dolly. Here you can see chosen equal to hello dolly get lyrics, means chosen actually calling this hello dolly lyrics, means this function it's calling, and it's getting any of the line randomly as we are returning the WP text your size and this empty rand function, that it's printing the song's lines from the chosen, and then it's actually adding the entire piece of line into the WordPress admin by just doing this one add action admin notice hello dolly. So if you are going to add any notice in your admin, so you can just use this function, this hook, this action hook, and you can add your function which is returning or printing the values you want to show in admin. Now dolly css is nothing but the css we are putting for the song lines. You can see the dolly css is the css, it's echoing all the css variables and the values, and you can see it's adding with a add action hook which is admin head. So in the admin head it's adding this dolly css. These all css are going to be added. And here I want to say another thing, that is when we are working in plugin, we must have the knowledge of hooks. So there are filter hooks and action hooks. You can check in details. So I am going to provide that details in my video description. So there you will get one link where you can read all these things. And if you still want to know more, if you still want to dig deeper, just let us know. Subscribe to our channel, and obviously if you like the video, just hit the bell icon